So this is a quick audio mic fixing tutorial. So this is my mic, a Plantronics mic attached to my headset. I think it's the Rig 500. I've had it now for over 5 years. What you need to download is Peter's Equalization APO, which is a live audio configurator where you can improve your mic. Select your mic on the right hand side. You might need to click on the C to add the APO to your device, which will require your computer to be restarting. Now I've selected it, it's already there for me. Yep, you go into sounds, go to recording devices, select the device, go to properties, go to listen because you want to hear yourself. So I want to click OK. So now you hear yourself. It's a little bit distracting and you can hear everything. So that's been selected. You're listening to yourself. So now you need to go into here, which will bring up this window. Now this is where you listen for bad sounds. So it's really hard to know where they are, but okay, so you hear that, just ignore. So that should go down here. I know that I want bass, so I'll bring that back down. I'll now do this one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You hear that difference? So I might make it over here more. 1, 1, 1, 1. So you hear that? See that? So I'll make it there. Do this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what I'm listening for is like a tinny sound, and I can kind of, it's not, oh, there we around there. So if I bring that back down, so you can already hear my voice is already starting to sound better. 1, 1, 1, 1. So that should be brought back here, and now this one, that should be the top. Tippy top. So it might bring that bit below. And now this one, it's tick. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I close that, and now it gives me this sound profile. So what I need to do is select that, save, and now it's saved. Another thing you can do is add in the effects, which will bring up this panel. Another one I'd like to do is probably give it a bit more bass, and you can hear when I'm talking it's a bit more richer, and if I talk a bit more it's too much, or maybe it's okay, I don't know. That's way too much. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, around here, maybe. So there. And so I go close, but I have to save it. Save, over replace. And that's should be a lot better sounding. So what I need to do is go back into sounds, go back into recording, and turn it off so I don't listen to myself anymore. This is my voice without any modification. This is my voice after modification using the APO. Hope that helps you a lot. Yeah. Thank you very much for listening.